आप सभी को हार्टफेल ग्रैटिट्यूड वंस अगेन। और जितना भी आप लोगों ने सपोर्ट किया, विदाउट यू दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल। और आप सभी की मेहनत से इट्स ऑल क्रेडिट टू यू एंड एडिटर्स एंड ऑल कोर टीम मेंबर्स। आप सभी ऑथर्स ने जो कंट्रीब्यूशन किया है, ऑफ कोर्स बहुत अलग एक हम कंट्रीब्यूशन कह सकते हैं। इट विल ब्रिंग इम्पैक्ट, सो थैंक यू वंस अगेन।
सबसे पहले तो मैं आकाश सर और भाबर इंटरनेशनल पब्लिकेशन हाउस का शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ कि उन्होंने हमें इस वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड इनिशिएटिव का हिस्सा बनाया। एज ए कोर टीम मेंबर मैं गेस्ट, एडिटर्स एंड को ऑथर्स जो आज हमारे साथ इस सफर में हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं, उन सभी का भी हार्दिक स्वागत करती हूँ।
All the best for today's event, and Mr. Akash, you have done the great job.
Important and Akash Bhavat sir is creating that world record by giving opportunity to the people from all over the world.
मेरी तरफ से आप सब ऑथर्स को बहुत बहुत बधाई और आपके फ्यूचर के लिए बेस्ट विशेस। थैंक यू।
Myself, Monica Pela, Assistant Professor in Vignan Institute of Pharmaceutical Technology.
And thank you for coming and celebrating with us with a humble request. Congratulations to each and everyone.
This Shiksha Yatra is coming true, and I'm very happy and feeling honored to be with you all and getting connected with so many authors. So it's a Shiksha Yatra एक tremendous journey है और बहुत ही अच्छा लगा मुझे इसका पार्ट करके। So thank you Akash sir for giving this opportunity and trusting me.
It is an honor and privilege to welcome you all to this significant occasion celebrating the Shiksha Yatra, a journey of learning and growth. Today we come together not just to acknowledge the transformative power of education, but also to reflect on the deep relationship between teachers, students, and the nation.
Good morning, Akash sir. Good respected all guests and everyone, to all the team members. It's like pleasure for me to be a part of Shiksha Yatra.
So best of luck once again, and thank you very much for involving me. And last but not the least, I would also like to thank Shraddha Bhatt ma'am, because she was the one who connected me with Akash sir. So I cannot forget her and I cannot thank her enough. So everybody, thank you very much. Best of luck for all your future endeavors.
Really excited to be a part of this Shiksha Yatra. Finally, the great day has come, and I would like to first thank Akash sir for taking this initiative.
It's a wonderful and great opportunity today. I really thank Akash sir and the entire team for giving us this opportunity.
For such a great opportunity, creating an opportunity, and I'm sure this is one of the opportunity which you have created. There are many more opportunities are there in your mind, because I know you very well. You are a real creator. So my heartiest compliments to each and every person, the personalities, whosoever has joined us from the any age generation. So salutations and all the best for again creating another world record. Thank you so much. Respect and gratitude to everybody.
So my heartfelt gratitude to Akash sir, जिन्होंने हम सारे टीचर्स को एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म दिया कि हम अपने आप को मोल्ड करें और अपने बच्चों को और अच्छा रास्ता दिखाते रहे, not only on the platform of India but internationally. A big round of applause to Akash sir.
I am Dr. Amina. Good day to all. Thank you to have me, and good day to all the guests, Mr. Sawar Kumar, Mr. Ramwan, Dr. Pramod Kumar Rajput, and all. I am really thankful to Akash sir.
And special thanks to the core team members and Akash sir as well for making this possible on time and taking all the pressure and pain. Thank you so much.
Thank you so very much to all the editors, to all the co-authors, and I'm really happy to be a part of this. And if I could do from my side anything else, Akash sir, I would request you, wherever you find I can support and I can be a part of it, please be free to make me for any kind of help, any sort of thing. I would not say help, it is a kind of support which we all educators are looking upon each other.
So I'm really thankful to this team, and I look forward my author's books.
So all the best, Akash sir and his team. Thank you very much.
First, I would like to very thankful to my editor, Mr. Sagar sir, Akash sir, to giving me the great opportunity and giving me the chance to be the part of this world record.
And today I'm honored to be a part of this world record event. So I'm very excited to, to see my article for a world record book. Thank you so much, sir.
I could not resist the idea of being a part of such a wonderful initiative taken by Akash sir. So I congratulate all the intellectuals who are there, the 600 authors who have been part of this. And thank you once again for giving.
So congratulations to you, Mr. Akash. Congratulations to each and every editor, each and every co-author who have contributed in the work. And thank you for having me. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
That this opportunity provided to all of us by Akash sir is definitely going to take us further. It will help us grow from co-author to author. Thank you very much, sir, for enlightening our thoughts and making us grow. Thank you all. Namaste.
Thank you for giving me this amazing opportunity, and congratulations to all the editors, co-authors, authors, and Akash sir. Thank you so much.
I am thankful to Babar Publication and especially Mrs. Shraddha ma'am that they have given me a chance to be the part of this wonderful Shiksha Yatra. I am giving my best wishes, including myself too, to Akash sir and Shraddha ma'am for publishing and launching this book today. Thank you.
And thank you all of you for this wonderful effort. Thank you, Shraddha ma'am, again for allowing us to be a part of this and guiding us. Thank you, everybody.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir, for making us a part. Actually, I want to thank our madam, Vasda ma'am also. She only brought this thing to us, and she only motivated us to join this. I'm looking forward for so many like this projects, and we are very thankful, and I'm very glad to see these.
Thank you so much. First of all, very good morning. Yes. Platform, Babar International Publication, and the opportunity to share my journey and experience to be a part of this book.
I would say one thing, that nothing is impossible, and there is a will, there is a way. Akash sir has profoundly established this mission with 600 authors of worldwide. So we are glad again to continue this kind of journey with him as different global projects. So from the my Global Entrepreneurial Systems desk, as a founder and CEO also, I would convey my sincere gratitude to serve our nation and being the witness for this nation building process where books are diminished. And we do know that as a teacher, educator, professor, that books are our real friends. So let's remember these real friends with this, real writings, real educators, efforts, and may God bless us all. Stay continued, and let's cherish this celebration of our record celebration inauguration for 24 books. Once again, thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram. Thanks again.
और इतने बड़े कम्युनिटी के साथ में मैं जुड़ा, उसका मैं मतलब शुक्रगुजार हूँ, और बहुत हृदय की गहराई से मैं इसका मतलब आनंद अनुभव कर रहा हूँ। इसी के साथ मैं अपने शब्दों को विराम देता हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच।
Mean try to bottle up a storm, and it is an honor for me to be a part of this wonderful platform. This is my first experience as a author in international level, and it is amazing for me how can Shiksha Yatra connected community globally.
Yeah, good morning, madam. Good morning, one and all. Good morning to Akash sir. This has been a great opportunity for me to get associated with Babar International, and I appreciate the initiatives taken by Akash sir, coordinating with all the editors, and then the editors coordinating with all the co-authors. Once again, I appreciate the endeavor and look forward to similar endeavors and get associated with all such sort of initiatives.
Akash ji and brainstorming discussions to come up with this idea and to bring out this final version of this world-class initiative. So for this, I would, with the core of my heart, I would congratulate and give best wishes to entire team and all the authors who have contributed their wisdom to come up with this final product as a world-class initiative. Thank you.
Really, really grateful and thankful for this kind of initiative. The word itself says all, Shiksha Yatra. So wonderful initiative, and let's all pat our backs. I think we need to pat our backs. Everybody, being educators, nobody pats our backs. So I think we, Akash ji, even you need to pat your back for this kind of initiative. Thank you everyone.
तो आप सभी का एक बार पुनः बहुत बड़ा आभार कि आप लोग सभी इससे जुड़े। भारत जी का आभार और इस बदलते भारत में जो जुड़े हुए हमें सभी भारतीयों का आभार जो इस प्रकार के इनिशिएटिव से जुड़े हैं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
I would really like to congratulate on this very big moment for you, sir. And आपका डेडिकेशन ही दिखा रहा है कि आप इस समय भी जब ट्रेवल कर रहे हैं बट आप सबके साथ यहाँ जुड़े हैं। तो मैं बहुत कुछ सीख रही हूँ यहाँ अभी इस प्रेजेंट सभी ऑथर से, आपसे, एंड होप करती हूँ कि आगे भी ऑफ एनी हेल्प ऑफ एनी सपोर्ट मैं आपके साथ जुड़ पाऊँ। Thank you so much.
So I'm so thankful because I was looking to write some book or something, but I could not take the first step. So thank you so much for helping me to take this first step. I'm really grateful to Akash sir and the team. Thank you so much.
So I'm very thankful for all these things and grateful to Priyesh ma'am, Shraddha ma'am, and Akash sir. And congratulations to everyone who has contributed and put in your cent. And it's great. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And once again, congratulations to you all, sir. And also I feel proud of that. I'm one of the stakeholders of this international record, sir. Thank you so much, sir.